The cat let its intrusive thoughts win.
I don't want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor.
The cat realizes that being held isn't bad. This cat is being attacked by its shadow. This cat was promoted to a manager.
That's a manager.
He's a manager. That's the manager?
Yeah. Jeremy, why are you being so grumpy?
This cat emerged from the void.
Misty.
The cat looks possessed.